Thinking of launching a business without spending a cent? The System.io free plan in 2025 just got a serious upgrade. But is it really enough for your digital product or service-based biz? Let's break it all down with no fluff so you know exactly what you're getting. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro-budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. I run my entire business using System.io, and today I'm giving you the most up-to-date review of the free plan in 2025. I'll walk you through what's included, what the limitations are, whether you can actually launch and run a business with it, and of course my honest opinion after using it full-time. Let's start with what you actually get. First of all, yes, the free plan is truly free, no credit card needed, and it gives you a solid foundation to start selling digital products or services online. You get one email campaign to automate a sequence of emails. That means if you're delivering a freebie or onboarding new clients, you can set up a simple automation once and let it run in the background. You also get unlimited newsletters, so you can send email broadcasts to your audience at any time. But there's a catch. Your contacts need to be tagged in order to receive those emails. That's why I recommend creating a single tag and using it for everyone, simple and effective if you're using the free plan. Now, when it comes to automation, you get one automation rule and one workflow. That might sound like a limitation, and it is to a point, but with the right strategy, that's all you really need to start. The free plan also includes up to 2,000 contacts, which is very generous, especially for those of us starting from scratch. And yes, you do get a custom domain and sender email address, so your emails don't land in spam and look professional from day one. Next up are sales funnels. You can create up to 3 funnels with a combined total of 15 steps. If you're selling just 1 or 2 products, this is more than enough. Each funnel can include a sales page, a checkout form, and a thank you page, and even better, you can add an order bump and a one-click upsell or downsell. That's huge for increasing your revenue per sale, even if you're only offering low-ticket items. You also get one website and blog. Yes, it's both in one. You can create multiple website pages like about, contact, services, and more. And you can turn the blog layout off when using a page as a landing page. You can publish unlimited blog posts, which is great if you want to build organic traffic over time or share helpful content with your audience. One of my favorite updates is the new booking calendar. Even on the free plan, you get one calendar event with unlimited bookings. You can set availability, sync it with your business hours, and let people book appointments, consultations, or discovery calls without any paid tool. For payments, System.io lets you connect payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, and there are 0 transaction fees. That means you keep 100% of what you earn. You can also add a coupon code to offer discounts on your products or services, which is great for special promotions or launches. And when someone buys, you can deliver your product instantly. When it comes to selling digital products, the free plan gives you one course and one community space. That's perfect if you're just starting out with a signature course or a small membership. The video hosting is included, you can drip your content over time, and everything is mobile friendly. You also get one membership offer, which allows you to bundle your course and community together and give full or partial access. If you want to grow with affiliates, System.io has your back. Even on the free plan, you can set up a full affiliate program, track commissions, and invite others to promote your offers. And beyond everything I've just mentioned, there's so much more packed into this free plan, from link in bio pages to digital product delivery, form builders, and client onboarding options. It's really an all-in-one solution for budget-conscious entrepreneurs. Now, let's talk honestly about what's limited. On the free plan, you only get one of each: one course, one community, one blog and website, one workflow, one automation rule, one calendar, and one email campaign. And funnel steps are capped at 15 total across your 3 funnels. That means if you're creating multiple freebies or running advanced funnels, you'll run out of steps quickly. Also, you only get one bump offer, one upsell or downsell in total, so if you want more than that, you'll need a workaround. Luckily, I teach you exactly how to build layered offers beyond the limits of the free plan. That brings us to the big question: can you run a business on the free plan of System.io? My answer is yes, 100%. I do it every day. You can sell digital products or services, deliver them instantly, build an email list, set up a course, accept bookings, send newsletters, and even create a mini membership site. The key is knowing how to work around the limits and structure your systems smartly. If you want a behind the scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.